And we have made it to Puerto Suelo. I probably just butchered that really badly. It's all going in. So we've just come for a 24-hour escape adventure to ride some horses and go camping for just 24 hours.
Yeah, we found some very fun video friends here in Puerto who have told us about a secret spot, and they very kindly invited us to it.
So we are here with Lotus and George.
Say hello.
Hi
hello,
guys.
hello. Yeah, baby. And how could I forget a little cozy boy? Hey, boy. Hello, gorgeous. And these are our steeds, our noble steeds for the evening. And we are just gearing up.
Located 30 minutes north of Puerto Escondido, Puerto Suelo is a secret beach paradise on Mexico's Pacific coast. After passing Manialtepec Laguna, the journey ventures down a scenic dirt track. The best way to explore this region is by horse. It was an hour trek through the farmland as we headed towards the ocean for sunset.
Babe, how are you finding it?
This is interesting.
Enjoying it?
Yeah, no, yeah.
Untamed, isn't it? Wow, they're pretty good. They're not going too crazy.
Lovely.
Posey's loving it. So the guys just told us that we're going through the water now on the horses with all of our 2 drones, camera equipment and everything, so it should be interesting. Lotus and the tour guide's horse has gone across super easy, and ours is just stopping for a bite to eat basically. That was really good. So we just had an hour horse ride. My knees are hurting a little bit. Towards the end, my horse just saw another couple of horses and just took off and just started galloping. No, it's really good. Babe, thoughts? First horse ride ever?
Yeah, it was an experience.
It was an experience.
Yeah.
Anything else?
No, it's fun. I think it's I just prefer motorbikes basically, but it's just trying to have a connection with the horse that is something that I've never really done. So yeah, it's cool.
This is what we need after an hour horse ride. Go. So good.
Babe, you got a Corona and a coconut.
Viva Mexico!
So we've just got to our location where we're setting up camp for the night, right here on the beach, literally where we dropped off the horses. And this little kid's wearing our helmets.
Lotería.
So we just made Puerto Suelo, we put the tents up, and this is where we're going to be sleeping tonight.